Have you ever seen a piece of wood floating in a river? It moves wherever the current takes it, without direction, without control. Many people live exactly like that, floating on other people's opinions, reactions, and approval. A compliment makes them happy, criticism breaks them. Their life moves not by purpose, but by external gaze. But a peaceful and successful life needs something else, an internal access. Let's understand this better. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an artist and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. Let me share a personal anecdote. I remember early in my career as an interior designer, when I had just started my practice, every client reaction felt like a report card on my worth. If someone praised my work, I felt confident. If someone rejected a proposal, I doubted myself completely. Over time, through experience, failure, and growth, I realized something important. If your confidence is rented from others, it can be taken away anytime. That's when I started building my internal compass, my own sense of direction, purpose, and self belief. And that changed everything. Let me share 3 ways to stay anchored. 1. Define your own matrix of success. If you don't define success for yourself, the world will define it for you. Ask yourself, am I growing? Am I learning? Am I becoming better than yesterday? Not, what will people think? Your progress matters more than applause. 2. Build daily self-trust. Confidence doesn't come from motivation. It comes from keeping promises you make to yourself. Small things matter. Finishing what you start. Showing up consistently. Doing the work even when no one is watching. Self-trust becomes your anchor when opinions around you change. And yes, 3, spend time in silence, not noise. We live in a world full of reactions, social media, opinions, comparisons. But clarity comes from quiet reflection. Whether it's media, journaling, prayer, or just sitting alone with your thoughts. Silence strengthens your internal access. The river always flows. Opinions will always exist. People will always react. But when you have an internal access, you don't float. You navigate. And that is the difference between living a fragile life and living a grounded one. So, if this resonated with you, tell me, what keeps you anchored when life becomes noisy? And yes, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share it with someone who wants to hear it, and subscribe. Till next time, I love you. I believe in you. Keep smiling.